Can your child solve this in just 2 seconds? Let's see.
4,300 divided by 5. Answer is
860.
Did you see that? Such fast calculation, and that too without a calculator.
we all want our children to be strong in maths because children who are good at maths usually do better in academics. Mastermind Abacus. Maths becomes completely different. For them, maths becomes like a fun game, and slowly, it becomes their favorite subject. That's why children who learn Mastermind Abacus can do very fast calculations directly in their mind. Abacus activates both the left brain and the right brain. This improves a child's concentration, memory, confidence, and calculation speed. Your child can also learn this powerful skill or book a free online demo class.